But according to the medical evidence, injuries on precaution witness 2 were caused on the evening previous to the morning of June 24 full stop. This takes away the basis on which he was accepted by the trial court and the High Court as an witnesses, notwithstanding his proclivity to mix up flash hold with the truth full stop. A substantial part of the precaution story has been disbelieved, and the conviction of the appellant rests solely on the testimony of precaution witness 2, who, as observed by the trial court, does not seem to have particular respect for truth and had mixed up falsehood with truth full stop. His credibility as an eye witness lay only in that the trial court and the high court assumed that he had received injuries in the same occurrence in which the deceased was killed full stop. The assumption does not appear to be very sound and is not borne out by the evidences on record full stop. The defense plea that precaution witnesses too had received the injuries on the evening of June 23 and not in the morning of June 24 gains credence from the fact that incident between the two sides had admittedly taken place on the evening of June 23, 1995 full stop. In the face of this admitted position and the medical evidence, it is difficult to accept that the injuries found on the person of precaution witness 2 were received by him in the morning of June 24 full stop. From this, either of two inferences would logically follow. One, precaution witness 2 was not present at the occurrence in which the deceased was killed in the morning full stop. The occurrence in which the deceased was killed did not take place in the morning of June 24 and he was not killed in the manner as suggested by the precaution full stop. Both the inferences are equally damaging to the precaution case full stop. In view of the facts and the circumstances, it would be highly unsafe to uphold and sustain the appellant's conviction for the offense of murder, and the prudent and safe course would be to give him the benefit of doubt. Accordingly, he is acquitted of the charges under section 302 and 324 Indian Penal Code full stop. The next appeal is directed against the judgment of the Punjab and Haryana High Court in Criminal Appeals numbers 201 of the 1996, confirming the appellant's conviction under section 302 of the Penal Code and life imprisonment full stop.